Part of the latest release of Mega Brave and Mega Symphonia, Pokemon in Japan decided to release the Pokemon Center set, which we are opening up here, and we want to showcase all of the content that is inside. And first up, you will get a card box, which is great for storage. You can approximately store about 1,000 plus cards in this particular box. And then next up, you get the Lily deck box, which looks absolutely wonderful and amazing. And then on top of that, you will get some Lily sleeves to go with it, 64 in total. Last but not least, you get 2 boxes of Mega Brave. Let's waste no time and crack these open and see if we can pull the Mega Ultra Rare Gold Lucario EX card. No goal and no SAR, but we did end up pulling the Lily SR here. Let us know how you think we did.